Hey, how's it going? I found this beautiful truck here, and in this video I wanna see what I can take home. Alrighty, so we're in the north of France and we found this old Mercedes here. It's not quite the same model that I have, but it is similar, and so we were told by the neighbors around here that this one hasn't been used for 10 years, and so we can take a few parts. I don't know what we will be able to find here, but hopefully it'll be something worth taking home. I actually had a look on the old bus because I wanted to get an old exhaust because mine is broken, my exhaust pipe at the end. That one is rotten off, so I wanted to get a new one, or at least a spare part which I could somehow fit on there. But it's actually like a different exhaust, and so I had to look for a couple of other parts, and so I got 2 spare mirrors for the sides now. And I am actually gonna take the front passenger seat, which is a 2-seater, and so if I put that in the car, I will eventually have 3 seats up the front, which is a whole lot better than only 2 seats. That'll be it for now. It's bloody hot in the sun right now and gotta head off very soon, I guess. So that's it for the video, and talk to you in the next one. Bye!